Hi, we want to update you today about the COVID relief drive Mathrubhumi started about a month ago. As you all know, there was a huge surge of COVID cases in India, and a lot of the rural communities did not have access to healthcare or supplies of oxygen. Mathrubhumi started a drive about a month ago to collect funds to send oxygen concentrators to India. We started with a goal of $15,000, and I am so excited to share that we met our goal in less than a week. Um, all of you guys showed so much kindness and generosity. Um, I was overwhelmed by this generosity, and we were able to collect $15,000 in few days.
This is really exciting. Thanks to all of you guys. Because of your help, we were able to send 10 oxygen concentrators to rural communities in India. We set up two centers where people can with COVID can come and use these equipments free of charge. And we were also able to staff them with trained doctors and other helpful supplies to help the communities. It was really overwhelming for the community to see so much support.
And not only these concentrators went a long way to support people who were in immediate need, but also for these communities to be prepared for a long fight. India still has a very low vaccination rate, and there are predictions of surges coming soon. And I think these concentrators are providing a lot of hope and safety to these communities, and also a realization that the whole world came together to support these communities, to care for them. And I think that to me is very important, that remembering that we are all humans and we are there for each other. And I think that to me is one of the most important realizations in our lives, for us to remember. So the fact that we were able to do that for these communities in India um, really makes our work worth it. And I think this care that this community has shown, that you all have shown, really makes me believe that all of us together are creating a world that is more playful, compassionate, kind, and connected. And we are grateful to be your partners in this vision.
Thank you.
Thank you.